to ask me what we got up to in May, I'd say events, events, and more events. If you missed out, don't worry. Details on how to catch up and get involved in the events happening in June and July are coming up. Hello and welcome to May's Big Community Newsletter. Let's dive right in. Our keynote webinar of the month, Elevate Your Customer Service Using BigChange, took place on the 1st of May. The live session, which was perfect for businesses who want to improve their response times, enhance communication and use data to drive decisions, was attended by more than 100 people. Whilst we don't have any keynote webinars planned for June just yet, we have announced our Lunch and Learn mini-series. In these 15-minute bite-sized sessions, we talk about a feature of BigChange that you may not have known existed and how it can increase your productivity, reduce human error, and improve your profitability. Details to sign up and watch those sessions already completed are below. In April, we held a workshop for our customers in the fire and security industry. The team from DFP Services said it was exceptional and invaluable, and that their team left with plenty of information and new efficiencies. The team from UK Red Security and Fire Systems told us these workshops are instrumental in refining our strategies and ensuring we provide the best possible service to our clients. We have 2 more workshops coming up, one on the 4th and 5th of June and the other on the 2nd and 3rd of July, both at BigChange HQ in Leeds. If you would like to take part, please let your customer success manager know or email louise.stone@bigchange.com. It wasn't just customer events which took place. We had a team from Amazon Web Services join our developers in Leeds for a 2-day hackathon. Ivor Caldwell, head of engineering, said it was a really successful day. There had been loads of buzz and the team landed some great ideas. Every team came up with a different idea of something they could do, which was really practical and really powerful. If you're a techie and want to join our team of product managers, testers, or developers, we have open roles and would love to hear from you. The link to open roles is below. Customer Spotlight. To find out which customer is in the spotlight this month, click on the link below. And that's a wrap for this month's Big Community Newsletter. Remember to hit the subscribe and bell buttons below to be notified when new content goes live. And if you like this video, why not give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment. Until next month, continue to be unstoppable.